guys, welcome back to my channel. I was gonna do like a little vlog. So I woke up I didn't even go to sleep. I went to get Oreos at 11 a.m. at night. Bro, when I tell you I'm addicted like these Oreos, bro. I'm so addicted to Oreos. But yeah, I Snapchatted it. I'll put the Snapchat right now. Raining right now, which is horrible, but me and my mom went out at like 2 a.m. last night to get some stuff, and now she's cooking it. Well, we have baked mac and cheese, yes, and we got chicken, but that's pretty much it. And I got some salad too, because girl, if you're gonna eat some Oreos, you need some salad, because I need to watch my weight, because it's not okay. But I'm addicted. Like, I can eat one of these in one day. Like, I'm not even kidding. But who watches Disney Channel? Because I still do, and it's boring. But I'm bored and there's nothing to do. I just paid for Apple Music. It just started getting boring. Like, there was an app on my phone that I didn't use, so I was like, let me just pay for this. I just got my card out. I'm like, well, I didn't pay for it. It's just a 3-month trial, whatever. But yeah, that's what's up. I'm just chilling like a villain. That didn't rhyme at all. But this is what I've been doing the whole entire time. Trying to plan a trip to Miami for my dad's birthday. I got like water bottles. I didn't drink for like a long time, but I need to start drinking more water. And I need to find this stupid face cream. Like, my face is like so freaking annoying. Like, look at that. It's so horrible, but I'm trying to find this Ambi fade cream for my face, because I saw it at Walmart and I went to the other Walmart and they didn't have it. So I'm just got to wait till I go back to the other Walmart to get it for my face, or Walgreens. I don't know. Now I'm about to edit my videos on my other channel, Tatibbeautiful. So yeah, if you guys want to check it out, that's my reaction channel. It's actually my main channel. I started it way back in 2012, but I deleted all those videos because they were horrible. But right now, about to edit and eat some Oreos because I am addicted. But yeah, my cats are acting weird. Anyways, I'll see ya whenever. Okay, you just went too personal there. The food is done. The food is done. Ooh, watch my cat. Watch me. I mean, follow me now. She'll come any second down those stairs. Watch. She always be following me. Oh, the food is done. The food is done. Oh, I think she put it back down. Mac and cheese. And she got some chicken wings over here. So she followed me everywhere. Like, every single corner I turn, she's there. She's attached. Every single time I leave too, she'll be like on me. I don't know where all the plates are, but I'm gonna get these little tiny bowls because it's not even 5 o'clock yet. What time? It's like, is that the right time? I don't know. But I'm about to eat because I'm hungry. Guys, look at the cheesiness. Oh. It's ziti with cream of chicken. It's like a can. Evaporating milk. I don't know what I'm saying. Evaporating milk and regular milk, 2% milk. Cheese, Parmesan cheese, and I put butter on like the outsides, and yeah, it's pretty much just what's in here. Yeah. About to dish me out a piece, y'all. Look at that cheesiness. Oh shit. Fail. Guys, remember when I moved in December? Like, this house came a long way because we're not even done yet, but I'll show you guys around, like a little tiny mini taste of house tour. But this house is still going because we still need like a whole bunch of stuff, but we're taking our time to do it. So let me show you. Front right here, this front door. Then turn around, got this mirror. Oh, this welcome table coming around, and this is like the family room, kitchen, nook area. Like we're supposed to, like during Black Friday, we're gonna find a sale on a big old 70-inch TV right there. That's why it's like plain right now, but once we get that, it's gonna look nice in here. Then the curtains, that dining table. My mom doesn't even like that dining table, but we're gonna change those. And these stool chairs, been here ever since we moved in. Like they left it, so we just kept it. So anyways, here's the kitchen. She's gonna move that little leaf thing up there because it, like, the grease from the stove keeps on rising and this thing keeps on getting dirty. But I'm like out of breath right now. But yeah, so we didn't do anything with this dining room area, but my cat's in here. All there is boxes and picture frames. We put up that one, and they got two little tiny ones over here, and that's the view from the dining room over there. I don't really know what to call this, to be honest. Dining room, whatever, because what's that supposed to be called? But we keep this little towel over here because of the ice. But just in case you're wondering, we didn't do anything with outside. Got the park though, but we barely go out there because none of us can fit in. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Over here, we just got two little picture frames, and then our laundry room, and then my brother's room, and then this bathroom. Yeah. Curtains. We got a little seating area outside though, so that's nice. And upstairs is just plain old, plain, and the garage is plain. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this room. Right now, there's like beds in there because my mom got a new bed. So she put her old bed in here and we had guests over, so they were sleeping in here. So this is like a dark room. They used to have a theater in here, but we're not trying to change it into like a little sitting area soon. But for right now, it's just gonna be an extra storage until they get rid of those beds. And that's pretty much it. I'm about to go eat now because I'm hungry. And oh, this is my plate right here. Oh, about to grab. Yo, this is so good. Oh my God, I don't mean to be all personal and stuff, but watch, I'm gonna leave her down here and she's gonna cry like crazy because I left her. Watch, she's gonna act like she doesn't care, but she really does. And yeah. Okay. Still raining? Oh no. Yeah. I told you. She right on me. Like, told you she got addicted to me, bro. Bro. Look at it. Oh my God. So, it's currently, 7:07, and I haven't done absolutely anything but laid here and done absolutely nothing. I'm about to go take a shower, to be honest, and then I don't know, I'm just gonna end the day. And outside looking pretty weird. I don't know what's going on out there. The sun going down and stuff, but I'm really just bored, Yeah. It's 9:49 and I haven't done anything. Bro, my mom and dad came back with some ice cream. I ate some ice cream. They came back with some extra stuff in the kitchen. I'll show you guys when I go down there. But my room is like looking a mess right now. I got Oreos. I got my bowl of cereal from this morning. Like, I need help. And I still had to take a shower. So I'm about to get up, put these stuff back in the kitchen, show you guys what my mom and dad got. And then I'm about to take my shower. So let's go. These two lamps are new. This thing here that they just got is new. And then this new basket tray right here, she's gonna put fruit in it. So what used to be there is this, but now she's gonna replace this with that and then throw this little thing on. And she got new cups. That's why they're all lined up so they can go in a dishwasher. And then there's one more thing in here. She got that painting right there. Well, that picture frame right there. I just choked on I just choked on water. Oh my god. I was just drinking it. It's just like, oh my god. I think I'm fine now. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I just came back from the shower and just drank the water and it just started coughing. But favorite perfume right now. Ooh, not even showing up. There we go. But of course, deodorant, because we're trying to not be musty around here. I don't know. I'm about to edit this video. My cat's being weird, but when is she not being weird? So I didn't edit. I literally went on Fortnite, but I'm about to hook you guys onto something not sponsored at all, whatever, but I'm about to hook you guys onto something. So before I had this Apple device, I had Android. So what I do is I have a Chromecast on my TV and I can watch free TV, any station I want, for free. So I'm gonna tell you guys right now. Let me flip my camera and don't be surprised if my Android cracked a little bit more, but this is my old phone. So Modro is what I'm going through right now. So this is my Chromecast that's on right now. So what I go, So what I do is I go to home, and then I go to 3 buttons over here. They say cast screen, like my screen, and I say okay, and cast to my cast right here. Then you can see my phone up there. Well, can you? I don't know. There you go. So everything I'm doing is reflecting off of there. So I just go onto Modro. Modro is an app that has like free TV and stuff, like the TV shows, the CW, these other movie channels, Hallmark Channel, Disney. These are just my recents. Bob's Burger, Nick. Basically, that's what I've been doing. And it goes on here. Now I'm watching Disney.